entering the cave, people. Nandito na kami. Nandito na. Ang malamig dito. Pero tingnan nyo, oh. Nandiyan yung asawa ko. Yan yung mga... Ito ang kuweba dito sa dito sa California. Experience. The entrance lang to.
Huh? Those are one of the holes. Oh.
With a dynamite. May
Oh, I think he would like this.
5 feet ng
Papa putting everything.
80 dynamites ang ginamit. They use 80 dynamites to blow up. How many feet, honey?
5 feet.
Only 5 feet.
Wow.
You can touch the railing to guide you. There's railing to guide you. Mahirap pero sa mga pero there's elderly doing the tour. So
Look at this.
there's more up there.
I hope everybody got their legs on. That's a long staircase.
Huh?
Can't tell. Did Jerry go? Okay, good. Just stay with the group.
I can't tell if the stalactites or stalagmites.
They're probably both
Hold on to all those feelings, okay?
stalagmites and stalactites.
Incredible, man.
So, ito yung cave na papakita ko sa inyo. Experience lang namin. So, until next time.